how to change Microsoft Rewards region. In this video, I'll show you how to change Microsoft Rewards region. So you cannot change the rewards region itself on Microsoft Rewards, but what you can do is to go ahead and open your Microsoft account on Microsoft.com. So once you're on Microsoft.com, click on your profile at the top right of your screen. So make sure that you're signed in into that specific Microsoft account where your Microsoft rewards are connected. And then click on My Microsoft account from here, and that will take you to your Microsoft account profile. So once you're on your profile, you need to go ahead and click on your info at the left side of your screen, and that will take you to your profile info section. So in here, click on country or region, and that will take you into this section. So you need to use your password to confirm signing in and changing your region. And then once you're done with this will pop up on your screen. So in here, as you can see, you can go ahead and click on the current region that you've just entered for your Microsoft account, and then select the region that you want to use now. So select the region where you want to register this account now, and then click on save to save the changes. And that is how you can basically change Microsoft Rewards region.